Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Math, Section 1.5, Problem 7. This is Section 1.5, Problem 7. It says round 2 to the nearest thousand. Now you may notice that there's a big space left between the word round and the number 2. That's not on purpose when I wrote this out. So 2 to the nearest thousand. Well, there is no thousand digit written. So what we usually do first is identify the position to be rounded. So the 2 is in the ones position. Next to that, there's no number written, but you can assume it's a 0 if you have to go out further to the left. That's in the tens position. And then after that, there's another 0. That 0 I just put in now is in the hundreds position. So I'm still not out to the thousands yet. I have to put in one more 0. That would be in the thousands position. So to round to the nearest thousand, you can think of the number 2 as 0002. So the leftmost 0 is in the thousands position. Now what you do when you round is you look at the digit that's one position to the right of where you're going to round and ask yourself if it's 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, it gets dropped off. And if it's 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, the rounding position is bumped up by 1. Well, the position to the right that makes that determination is 0. It's not big enough. So the digit that I'm going to round to stays the same. All the digits after it, or to the right of it, turn into zeros. So 2 rounded to the nearest thousand is 0000, which you can more simply just write as 0. So 2 rounded to the nearest thousand is 0.